Let's see how to create an automatic table of contents for your document in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to create your table of contents, it is important to first set the different chapters of your document. Now, to do that, you can simply highlight them as I've done right here and click on heading or title up here under the ribbon. Now, let's go ahead and make our table of contents. Head on to the References tab and click on Table of Contents, which will open up this drop-down list with different preset table of contents. So you can choose one you're liking, or you can also customize it by yourself. Now let's go ahead and click one. And as you can see, that will automatically create a table of contents for your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.